Kalviyagam. Great place to learn. We celebrate many festivals. They are occasions to express our unity. Festivals help us to gather together. Some festivals we celebrate are Pongal, Diwali, Ramzan, Christmas and local festivals. Pongal. It is a harvest festival. During Pongal, we thank nature for giving us the food we eat. We celebrate Pongal for 4 days. Each day has a unique feature. First day, it is Bhogi. On this day, people discard old things and clean their homes. They also paint the walls with limestone, making the houses bright and clean. They burn old and damaged items. Burning tires and plastic items should be avoided as it makes the air dirty. They draw beautiful columns in front of the house. Second day, it is Thai Pongal. On this day, people prepare Pongal in a new pot with newly harvested rice. They worship and thank the sun. Third day, it is Mattu Pongal. It is a celebration to thank cattle. Cattle are decorated and worshipped on this day. Fourth day, it is Kanum Pongal. It is also known as Ulavar Tirunal. It is a day for thanking the farmers. People also visit relatives, friends, temples and scenic spots and have fun together. Diwali. It is called Festival of Lights. People worship Goddess Lakshmi. They wear new dresses. Houses are decorated with flowers, lights and rangoli. They prepare food items like murukku, adirasam, gulab jamun and laddu. They distribute it to relatives, friends and neighbors. They burst crackers. Ramzan. It is the holy month for Muslims. People offer prayers and fast during the entire month. They celebrate Eid at the end of the month to break fasting. They wear new dresses. They prepare food items like biryani and sheer kurma and distribute to their friends. They hug friends and relatives to exchange warm wishes. Christmas. It is celebrated on 25th December to honor the Christ Jesus birthday. People decorate their homes with colorful lights, bells and a Christmas tree. People prepare food items like cake, rose cookies, etc. They exchange gifts to spread joy and happiness. Santa Claus, also known as Father Christmas, gives gifts to children. Local festivals. It is celebrated in villages. Karagatam and Puliyatam dances are conducted. Children can enjoy in merry-go-round and they buy colorful bangles, balloons and some toys. Our friends. They help us in our day-to-day life. Let us see some of our helpers. Teacher. They teach lessons and good values. Policeman. They protect people from crime. Doctor. They help sick people get well. Nurse. They care for the sick people. They tie bandages and give injections. Shopkeeper. They sell goods in their shop. Vegetable vendor. They get fresh vegetables and sell in the streets using cart. Milkman. They care for cows and buffaloes and supply milk to people. Postman. They collect letters from the post box, sort it according to the address and deliver the letters to the correct address. We must respect the people in our society. Thanks for watching.